Alright, guys. Joe Science Benny back again on his YouTube channel, Joe Science Benny. And today, we're going to talk about one of my favorite money apps. So, let's get to it. So, I've tried many apps: Rise Savings, Digit, M1, Sofi, and the one that I continue to enjoy is Sofi. And let's see what this Sofi is all about. I'm going to go to my screen right now. So here we are on Sofi's page, and as you can see, Sofi has many different products: Sofi Money, Sofi Credit Card, Sofi Relay, Sofi Invest, Student Loan Refinancing, Personal Loans, Home Loans, Private Student Loans, Sofi Protect, Sofi at Work, and Small Business Financing. So I'm going to go over some of these stuff and why I love SoFi and continue to be impressed with it. I will go over some of the pros and the cons, of course, but um, I just want to show you some of this stuff right here. And let's get to it. So, basically, SoFi started as a lending institution, helping out students, lending them money for their student loans, their college loans, back several years ago. And I got familiar with SoFi because I actually used it to get a personal loan and thought the process was pretty easy through going to its website online. And since those days of me getting a loan, SoFi's been getting into investments, buying stocks, um, lending money for mortgages, also considering to or trying to become a bank, a chartered bank. So SoFi also recently is involved in a SPAC, a special acquisition type stock investment. So SoFi's looking to go public. So I think it's growing rapidly, but that's SoFi, the institution, the way it's growing. But what I like about it is some of the easiness of the app. Now the website can get a little difficult, but the app is something very nice. You can invest through it, similar to M1 or Robinhood, and you can buy stocks, individual securities, ETFs. They have their own ETFs. They also have this interesting thing called stock bits, and that's currently what I'm using. I'm buying stock bits, stuff like Tesla or Nike. And before we go any further, I just want to let you know I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your due diligence and talk to a professional before you start investing in stocks or anything. But you can buy these stock bits where you could put as low as $1 in something like Tesla, which is like $800. You could buy $1 worth of Tesla through SoFi. So I'm using that as I'm buying these stock bits. I have about 11 or 12 stock bits. Matter of fact, I think I may try to leave my link to my portfolio for SoFi in the description below. But these stock bits, they allow SoFi allows you to reinvest the dividends if you buy a stock that pays a dividend, and I think it's pretty easy from the app, the SoFi app, and I I think it's going to be I think it's going to continue to offer these stock bits where you could spend $1 to buy some stocks, a piece of a stock. But I also have the debit card through SoFi, and they I'm kind of grandfathered in for some high interest rate, and I forget what the interest rate is, but I think right now they might be offering 0.25%. But the debit card, in my case, you can use it on 55,000 different ATMs in the United States through the Allpoint network. And maybe some people are familiar with the Allpoint network by using a bank. Some banks, some type of banks use this network of ATMs. Like a credit union uses them a lot, and it's a network of ATMs where you pay no fees to use your debit card to withdraw money. And SoFi is part of that network. So that's another powerful thing with its debit card. So I used, I signed up for the debit card over a year ago, and I'm happy with the debit card. So I think SoFi is hitting it all the right spots for me. Banking with its debit card, mortgages, lending, personal and student loans, stock investing, and now they finally offered a credit card through SoFi. So, what does the credit card offer? Well, let's take a look at it. So it offers no annual fee, 2% unlimited cash back towards your financial goals. So, for example, you'll get 1% if you use the debit card as a cash back, but you'll get an additional 1% in cash back towards a SoFi loan that you have, or maybe a SoFi student loan, or a SoFi investment account. You'll get an additional 1% for a total of 2%, which is great. Similar to Fidelity, which gives you 2% if you use the Fidelity credit card. So it's similar in that aspect, and it also offers a lower APR rate if you pay on time for a year, like 12 months. So pay on time, and you have a shot of getting in. Well, you will get an offer of a lower interest rate. So I mean, there's some great stuff that this credit card offers, and some great stuff overall that SoFi offers in their website or their app. And when they become a bank, I figure they'll even offer more stuff, like maybe a shot at some branches across the nation. So I continue to love this app, and I think it's one of the best money apps out there. And I can only give it praise, to be honest with you. Well, that's it, guys. Overall, a thumbs up for SoFi, and hopefully you guys like this video. Subscribe, comment, and share, and let that algorithm work for me. All right, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great night. Bye-bye.